I'm a hard-working man. I wear a steel hard hat. I can ride rope, a hammer and paint, do things with my hands that most men can't. I'm a hard-working man. I got it all on the line for a piece of the promised land.